MULN stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. So Mullen Automotive has been kind of consolidating, you know, hasn't made a new lower low in a while, to be very honest. We're already in April and 2 days in, it might be something onto something, right? I've done 39,000 videos. I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, and I have all of that documented on my YouTube channel. Specifically looking at Mullen Automotive, it's still not a gem of mine. Like, let's put it in that perspective. It's still a bearish market, and the only thing that will matter to me is, one, if there's a big catalyst on Mullen. And to be honest, in the last 3-4 years that I've been documenting Mullen outlooks, right, it's been just bearishness. And all I'm trying to say is that more likely than not it's going to continue. Obviously, I'm not trying to like reinvent the wheel, but it's just the truth. So let me know what is your opinion on Mullen, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's free sauce, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.